one common question that I receive is, what is the best process simulation software? And my first answer to that is the one that is available to you. However, you must understand that different process simulation software can perform different tasks or was designed for different tasks. For instance, the Aspen HiSys is well designed or fit best for hydrocarbon processing, while Aspen Plus fits better for chemical process. And if you need to perform a process simulation for a batch, you should not use the Aspen HiSys because it was not designed for that. The Aspen Plus fits better for that, and you will see that there are specific components or blocks for batch process simulation. So when you are performing your process simulation, you need to understand that, because if you are dealing with hydrocarbon processing, or eventually you will not use the same software that you need to evaluate wastewater treatment or pharmaceutical industry. And that is very important, because if you use a wrong tool to get the results, you can base all your decisions in wrong information.